If you're delving into the world of medical coding, you've arrived at the perfect destination. By following this page, medical coders can access ample information about the coding world, empowering them to excel in their career. Continuous learning. Keep abreast of updates and changes in coding guidelines, ensuring your knowledge remains current. Precision matters. Accuracy is paramount in medical coding. Always double-check codes to avoid claim denials and billing errors. Master medical terminology. A solid grasp of medical terminology and anatomy enhances your coding accuracy and efficiency. Positions range from entry-level coding roles to managerial positions, offering diverse career paths and growth opportunities. Specialized software. Medical coders rely on specialized software such as Encoder Pro and Epic systems for efficient coding and billing processes. Certification advantage. Certifications like Certified Professional Coder, CPC, or Certified Coding Specialist, CCS, can boost your credentials and career prospects. HIPAA compliance. Adherence to HIPAA regulations is non-negotiable to maintain patient privacy and data security. By embracing these insights and employing best practices, medical coders can excel in their roles and contribute to the seamless functioning of the healthcare system. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment below with your thoughts on medical coding.